The Torofluxus, I came across this in 1996 at the Frankfurt gift fair, and it's, I think, probably the favourite mechanical thing I've ever come across. It pops up into, wow, a toroid. But if you flatten it and put it on a core, this is a plastic cord, it flows down, oosh, so, like this, and goes on flowing until it comes off. But of course, I can make a continuous band by just closing the ends, and then you can make it go for as long as you're minded to rotate it. So I keep going, keeping it roughly halfway down, and it flows and flows and flows and flows and flows. And in the sunshine, that looks for all the world like a silver bubble. I've used it at so many children's parties, and I found quite early on that small creatures want to handle it a bit more. So what they usually do is end up putting it on their arm and finding it rolls up and down the arm like that, tickling slightly as it does so. The Torofluxus, I think it's just a single piece of ribbon steel about 27 foot long, 8-9 meters. It's got one welding point here, lap weld, and quite an interesting way of weaving it to make this effect. But I think it's quite the best thing I've ever come across, the Torofluxus.